In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Drive shortcut in just a few simple steps. If you find your Google Drive cluttered with shortcuts you no longer need, this guide will help you streamline your cloud storage and keep things organized. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. If you're using a Google Chrome browser, even better for seamless integration. Once the page has loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a small grid icon. This icon represents your Google Apps, providing quick access to various Google services. Clicking on this icon will display a menu with a variety of app options. From here, locate and click on the Drive icon to navigate directly to your Google Drive. This will open up your main Drive page and display all your files and folders. Next, look over to the left side of the screen and click on My Drive. This is where all your Google Drive files and folders are stored, including any shortcuts you may have accumulated over time. Once you have My Drive open, look for a sorting option which you can find by clicking the Type drop-down menu located at the top. This feature allows you to organize your files based on different criteria like name, date modified, and type. For our purposes, you'll want to sort by type. By selecting Shortcut from the type options, your drive will filter files to show only shortcuts, making it incredibly easy to identify them amongst all your stored documents. This step is crucial to ensure that you're only removing shortcuts and not inadvertently deleting any important files. Now that you have a clear view of just the shortcuts, select the particular shortcut you wish to remove. With it highlighted, look once more to the top of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This menu provides additional options for the selected items. Click these 3 dots to open the options list, and from the drop-down choose Move to Trash. This action effectively removes the selected shortcut from your Google Drive, clearing up space and removing unnecessary clutter. Remember that moving a shortcut to trash doesn't delete the original file, it just removes the shortcut from your view. After completing these steps, your Google Drive should be one step closer to organized perfection. Consider this process whenever you spot unwanted shortcuts taking up space. It's simple, quick, and ensures your files stay neat and tidy, helping you to focus on the documents that truly matter. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.